Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find Robinhood Bitcoin wallet address. So to get started with the guide, an easy workaround on how you can easily find your Bitcoin wallet address on Robinhood. So to get started, first thing to do is to open the Robinhood app and log in. Then launch the Robinhood app on your phone and sign in with your account credentials. Then go to your crypto section. So on the home screen, tap crypto or search for Bitcoin, which is BTC, in your asset list. And after that, tap Bitcoin to open its details page. And after that, look for the receive or deposit button. Then this shows where other can send Bitcoin to you. So once you do that, build your wallet address. So your unique Bitcoin wallet address will appear usually as a long strings of letters and numbers alongside with a QR code. So tap the copy address or share it if you want to paste it somewhere or send it to someone. And here's a key important note, which is very important. Make sure you only use the address for Bitcoin, which is BTC. Sending other coins can result in lost funds. Then if you are using the separate Robinhood wallet app, the steps are similar under the receive tab. Then double check the address before using it. Crypto transactions can't be received fast. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.